When deciding which keywords to target, it's tempting to head for the biggest, most competitive keywords in your industry. But targeting only highly competitive keywords can take a lot of time, and ranking for them isn't always realistically possible. Low competition keywords are much easier to rank for, and you can start getting search traffic in a quicker time frame. In this video, I'll take you through exactly how to find the best low competition keywords to target. Hey, it's Emily here from FactJoe, where we provide SEO services designed for agencies and marketing teams. What is a low competition keyword? A low competition keyword is simply very specific, niche orientated, and has little competition. This makes it easy to rank for. These particular keywords tend to be long tail, which means they have 3 or more terms in the search phrase, very specific, very relevant to what your website or business can offer users, have a low search volume, and are easy to rank for with a limited number of backlinks. We often find that the fact that low competition keywords often have a low search volume is a deterrent for many SEOs, but you can still generate great levels of search traffic by targeting these smaller volume keywords. The traffic driven from 5 of these niche keywords may equate to the same volume of traffic you'd receive from ranking at the top of the search results for one generic high volume keyword. The best thing is, by ranking for those low competition keywords, and if done right, you'll be indirectly boosting your ranking for those high competition keywords over time. This is because generally if the search is more detailed, then the customer is much closer to converting. If you can match the search term with your offering, then you'll see your conversion rates soar. So how do you find these gems? Check out our 6-step process. First, you'll need to brainstorm keywords. The first thing you need to do is generate a list of keyword ideas and topics that are related to your niche. These top-level keywords are also known as seed keywords. You'll want to create a list of seed keywords which you can use as a basis for your low competition keyword research. To create your list, start by looking at the industry you're in. So if the niche is search engine optimization, then you would choose seed keywords such as search engine optimization, link building, and content. Also, look at the target website and pick out those keywords that you use consistently across all your pages. You'll see on our website that we speak a lot about search engine optimization, link building, and content, so these work well as seed keywords for us. Now you need to expand your keywords. Here you'll create extended lists of keywords that sit below your seed keywords. You can use Google Keyword Planner for free, which will generate additional ideas related to your initial term. So let's take our seed keywords and enter these into the Keyword Planner tool. Google will offer you a range of clickable searches you can make related to the original keyword. You can also refine based on the general search intent, which has been in beta for some time now, but I'll go more into search intent shortly. You can also use Ahrefs, which is our tool of choice due to its detail. Pop your seed keywords into the Keyword Explorer tool. Head to the Matching Terms report. You'll need to narrow this down even further because you'll see the tool lists a lot of keywords. In this case, nearly 1.7 million keywords. I'll show you how. The next step is to check the keyword difficulty. Keyword difficulty is a measure that tells you how difficult it will be to rank on the first page of Google for that particular search term. It's measured using the weighted average of the number of backlinks to the top 10 search results. In theory, the lower the keyword difficulty, the easier it is to rank for that keyword. The reason we recommend using Ahrefs to check this is because it's easy to filter a massive list of keywords by their keyword difficulty scores. Let's filter our matching terms. We'll set 0 as the minimum value and 30 as the highest value. You'll see that the number of potential low competition keywords has reduced to just over 28,000. But you can't just go off the keyword difficulty metric alone. Although backlinks are a massive ranking factor, they're not the only one. So you need to analyze your keywords based on a few other factors. 4. Check search intent. Search intent is the reason behind a searcher's query on search engines. For example, someone might be using a search engine because they want to buy something, find something, or learn about something. You want to choose these keywords where the search intent matches your business or brand. If you can't match the search intent with the content you create, then you won't rank, regardless of whether the keyword difficulty score is low. Let's take a look at the top ranking pages for the search term Best SEO Services for Small Business. We're looking to see if the existing top ranking URLs are informational blog posts, transactional product pages, or something else. Now let's look at the content format. We can see that most are a full blog post format in a listicle style. If we want to rank for this search term, we need to ensure that we can match this content type and angle. On the other end of the scale, if we take a look at SEO content writing services, the top ranking pages are businesses that actually offer these services. So if you don't offer these, then you wouldn't want to rank for this keyword. This is because users searching with these keywords aren't those that match your target audience. So you won't drive traffic or generate conversions by targeting these keywords. Next, we're going to assess how difficult the keyword actually is. Just because you think you can match the search intent and get more backlinks than those currently ranking in the search results doesn't mean that it's a good keyword for you to target. You need to check the authority and brand equity of these ranking websites and compare it to your own. Let's head back and take a look at the best SEO services for small business. You can see that the DR ratings for these websites are pretty high. DR is the domain rating, which is Ahrefs' authority metric and gives you an understanding of how trustworthy search engines perceive that domain to be. The higher the rating, the more trustworthy the domain and the more likely it is to rank well. Here we can see that the DR for this search term is pretty high on average, with sites like Clutch, WordStream and Outerbox Design, which has a DR of 77. You'll see that the number of backlinks here is relatively low, so let's take a closer look at one of these. We can see that the DR of the linking sites is actually really high, so they have a good number of high quality backlinks, meaning that this search term is actually going to be pretty difficult to rank for. But if we take a look at how to do on-page SEO with WordPress, we can see that the referring domains to the second search result have low DRs, which would suggest that this is a good keyword to target. Finally, step 6 is to analyze the traffic potential. The low competition keywords with good traffic potential are the ones that we're after, but they're often hard to find. So I'm going to show you a few really simple ways to find them. Let's head back to our example search term, Best SEO for Small Business. On Ahrefs, we can see the estimated monthly organic traffic each search result gets, so you'll have an understanding of the traffic you can expect if you reach that particular position. Ahrefs Content Explorer is another way around finding low competition keywords. This approaches the content topic first. We'll enter one of our original seed keywords, search engine optimization, link building, or content. I'm going to use search engine optimization. Now we'll set some filters. I'll set the referring domains lower than 10 because we want these to be as low as possible to give us the best chance of ranking. And I'll filter page traffic to those over 500 organic searches. Now scroll through the titles and topics. Click to expand the page traffic and look at the organic keywords list. This will give you an understanding of content topics that target and rank for a range of related low competition keywords. Bear in mind that while targeting low competition keywords is a great tactic to add into your SEO strategy, there's a reason that the high difficulty keywords are so difficult to rank for. Every website wants to rank for them because they have much higher search volumes and open up many more opportunities to generate even more leads and conversions. So you want to use your goal of ranking for low competition keywords to build authority, brand awareness, and generate even more high quality backlinks in a way that enables you to be in the running to rank for those shiny, high search volume, highly competitive keywords. To find low competition keywords for your website or your clients, simply apply this 6-step process every time you do keyword research. We upload new SEO tutorials every Wednesday, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. And if you have any questions, leave these in the comments below.